Okay, the first topic is gemination of teeth. So, what is gemination of teeth? It is the division of a single tooth bud before calcification. So, before the calcification has occurred, if the tooth bud splits into two, then it is called as gemination. Okay. So, what is the reason of a black hairy tongue? So, black hairy tongue is due to the prolonged administration of broad spectrum antibiotics. It results in black hairy tongue. Okay. So, the next topic is Gardner's syndrome. So, Gardner's syndrome, you will see osteomas, epidermoid cyst, and impacted teeth. Okay. Osteomas, epidermoid cyst, and impacted teeth are the features of Gardner's syndrome. Okay, moving on. In which conditions will you get blood on aspiration? So, in hemangioma, in central giant cell granuloma, and aneurysmal bone cyst. In these three conditions, you will get blood on aspiration. Hemangioma, central giant cell granuloma, and aneurysmal bone cyst. Okay. So, next topic is dentinogenesis imperfecta. So, whenever there is dentinogenesis imperfecta, in some cases you will see associated osteogenesis imperfecta along with that, and in osteogenesis imperfecta there is defective bone formation. So, if the question is asked that in which condition or which anomaly is associated with another anomaly which shows defective bone formation, the answer would be dentinogenesis imperfecta. Okay, so dentinogenesis imperfecta and osteogenesis imperfecta together are found in some cases. Okay, the next topic is bifid tongue. So bifid tongue is a congenital anomaly. Okay, and why does it occur? It is due to the non-fusion of two lateral lingual swellings. Okay, when the two lateral lingual swellings they fail to fuse together, it results in bifid tongue. Okay, so gemination is division of tooth bud before calcification. Black hairy tongue is due to over administration of antibiotics. Gardner syndrome is osteomas, epidermoid cyst, and impacted teeth. Blood on aspiration is hemangioma, central giant cell granuloma, and aneurysmal bone cyst. Dentinogenesis imperfecta and osteogenesis imperfecta associated with each other. And bifid tongue, non-fusion of two lateral lingual swellings.